A vital part of tourism is also looking out for memorable and unique eating and drinking experiences anywhere in the world. Often termed as food tourism, this pursuit is categorized under experiential travel. In present times, food stands equal to accommodation and sceneries when it comes to deciding a place to travel. Just like there are lists of best hotels to stay in and best places to visit, there should also be a food dishes list to narrow down the best items around the world. When it comes to ranking, food and drinks can be very subjective as tastes differ from person to person. So in today's video, let's know some best dishes in the world. Number 1. Sushi. Japan. Prepared with vinegared rice and a wide range of ingredients including seafood, vegetables, and sometimes fruits. Sushi tastes best when served with wasabi, pickled ginger, and soy sauce. A popular garnish for this dish is daikon radish. The type of fish in it defines a sushi's taste. However, the vinegared rice gives the dish a tangy taste overall. Tuna, eel, and salmon tend to have a light flavor while octopus-flavored sushi is generally strong in taste. Number 2. Rendang, Indonesia. Often called the world's most delicious dish, rendang is prepared by simmering beef with coconut milk with a mixture of the best of spices including turmeric, garlic, lemongrass, ginger, chilies, and galangal. The dish is then stewed for a few hours, which gives it a tender texture and exotic taste. The blast of flavors is surely one of the reasons why the dish is loved globally and is also one of the best dishes in the world. Easy to rustle up, this dish is often served at ceremonies or to honor guests. Number 3. Ramen, Japan. If not tried, you must have heard of ramen at least once in your life. However, we are not talking about the packaged instant noodles. Ramen is a Japanese dish made of wheat noodles and served in the broth along with vegetables and meat. Ramen comes in several flavors, from tangy to spicy, depending on the flavor of the broth. Every region in Japan has its own. Tonkotsu, a popular style of ramen, includes pork bone broth, and the miso ramen, another popular dish originated in Hokkaido. Number 4. Tom Yam Goong, Thailand. A type of sour and hot Thai soup, Tom Yam Goong is prepared with shrimp along with a load of healthy herbs and spices, lemongrass, lime, kaffir leaves, galangal, and red chili peppers to name a few. The soup plays around with a bit of all possible flavors: spicy, sour, salty, and sweet. To add to its flavor, the soup is topped with coconut milk and cream. The dish is a local favorite all over Thailand. Number 5. Kebab, Turkey. A dish popular across the Middle East, kebabs are originally from Turkey. They consist of ground meat or seafood, fruits, and vegetables in some cases, and are cooked on a skewer with a big fire underneath, just like a barbecue on the grill. It is cooked with various accompanying ingredients including garlic, black pepper, and vegetable oil. Mutton or lambs are generally the traditional meats used in kebabs. Other recipes include beef, goat, fish, and chicken as well. This dish has a perfect blend of taste, ranging from tangy to spicy, making it one of the best dishes in the world. Number 6. Fried chicken, United States. Crunchy on the outside and juicy within, fried chicken, as the name suggests, is a dish consisting of chicken pieces deeply fried, giving it a crisp coating. The chicken is then seasoned with herbs and spices. The spicier, the better. Excess flour is used to make the crust thicker. The dish was first prepared in the 1830s, the rest is history. Fried chicken is practically the most loved dish in the United States. The trend caught on and the dish is now one of the best dishes in the world. Number 7. Pizza, Italy. Now who wouldn't be aware of this go-to dish that gives us the ultimate savoring experience? This Italian dish consists of a usually round, wheat-based dough that is garnished with tomatoes, cheese, and often various other ingredients baked at a high temperature, traditionally in a wood-fired oven. Pizza today has become one of the most popular fast food items in the world. Drooling already? Then pick up your phone and place your pizza order now. Number 8. Hamburger, Germany. This popular dish of Germany consists of one or more cooked patties of ground meat, usually beef, that is placed right inside the sliced bread or a bun. This is then either pan-fried, grilled or smoked. Hamburgers are often served with lettuce, loads of cheese, tomato, pickles and whatnot. Condiments such as ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise are frequently placed on sesame seed buns. These mouth-watering delicacy today usually features at fast food chain and is often the go-to meal of the youngsters. Number 9. Massaman curry, Thailand. Prepared with cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, star anise, cumin, bay leaves, nutmeg and mace, Massaman curry is a mild, relatively rich curry of Thailand. Blended with the local spices, this tangy and not too spicy curry differs from the other regular curries of the nation and for all the right reasons. Instead of including the curry leaves in the cooking process, Massaman curry uses spices and aromatics like cumin, lemongrass and galangal that helps in creating a delectable base for the dish. Number 10. Donuts, USA. This USA delicacy often leaves people with a sweet tooth gasping for more. The donut is popular in many countries and is prepared in various forms as a sweet snack. Donuts are usually deep-fried from a flour dough, and typically ring-shaped. Various toppings such as sugar, chocolate, maple glazing etc. are used that accentuates the taste of this snack, and literally serves as an icing on the cake. Krispy Kreme, Mad Over Donuts are few of the most popular donuts chains worldwide. Number 11. Dosa, India. India has a lot to contribute when it comes to cuisine, and dosa is the best dish to represent that. To put it in simple terms, dosa is a type of pancake made from fermented rice batter. The dish looks like a crepe and the main ingredients are black gram and rice. Earlier, dosa was prominent only in South India and Sri Lanka. It is now a well-known dish in India and all over the world. It is usually filled with various stuffings, with potato being the main ingredient for the stuffing. Dosa is served along with chutneys and sambar, vegetable stew. Number 12. Pad Thai, Thailand. A common street food dish all over Thailand, Pad Thai is a stir-fried rice dish accompanied with noodles. This healthy dish is made with stir-frying noodles with eggs and tofu. What brings out the flavor from the dish is the unique blend of sauces, tamarind pulp, dried shrimp and fish sauce, and garnished with garlic and red chili pepper. The dish is served along with roasted peanuts and lime wedges. There are extra ingredients that are provided on the side, such as radishes, bean sprouts, and other vegetables. Pad Thai also has a vegetarian version which consists of soy sauce instead of fish sauce and doesn't include any meat. So, this was some famous food around the world. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. If you are new here, then do subscribe and stay connected. See you later. Bye.